Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. I am Lime Green. So today I wanted to dip into the Anastasia palette by Jackie Aina. I love this palette. So I want to do like a soft glam look today. I wanted to bring out one of my old wig units and, you know, do like an update on her. So I will have a video on that. But if you want to see how my look turns out, keep on watching. Also, if you're new to my channel, check me out. If you do subscribe, do make sure you hit all, because a lot of my subscribers don't get my notification. And if you are a return subscriber, thank you so much. I really appreciate it. So yeah, let's jump right into it. Alright, so I have my eyes based with the P. Louise base. I have it in Rumor 0.5. Next, I'm going to go in with my Airspun powder, and I'm going to use that to set. So the first shade I want to use is a transition shade, which is Ginger. I want to use this shade right here, and I'm just going to apply it right up here in this area. So I have both my lids done. Next, I want to go in with edges. Which is this shade right here. And I'm just going to apply it a little bit right here in this area. I might apply it more up higher, but we're going to see. Yep, somewhere. Next, I want to go in with Credit, which is this brown shade right here. And I just want to deepen this part up. Credit. So I am recording and watching YouTube at the same time. Therapy, y'all, therapy. I wanted to do a silent slay because it's just been a lot of stuff going on, you know, with family and, you know, family getting sick and stuff. So I wasn't really in the best of mood, but I said, yeah, let's just film. This is therapy, you know. So hopefully this, I think this is darkening it up right here. Let's see. Alright, I am ready to cut my crease. I'm going to use my P. Louise as always. Next, I'm going in with my lid shade. It's probably going to be a speed through, but I'm going to show you the colors I'm going to be adding to my lid. So the first color is going to be this color right here. Yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and put my eyeliner on and my lashes, and I'll be right back. All right, so I have my eyeliner on and my lashes. So I'm actually gonna do my makeup on camera, so it is gonna be a speed through. Yeah, I am gonna show you the product, so you know I got you covered. So the first product is gonna be Touch and Soul Pore Primer. Hey loves, I am back with the final look. This looks so cute, y'all. Like, for real, this looks really, really pretty. So this is how my eye look is looking. I didn't think that these flexi rods would turn out that good, but yes, they look gorgeous. Gorgeous. Once again, I love this palette. It turned out really gorgeous. I'm really happy that I finally went out and got this palette. This makeup is looking nice. My eyes is popping. I'm here for it. I'm here for this hair, y'all. So yeah, y'all, thank you so much for tuning in. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys later. Bye.